What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a pretty exciting video for you guys. We are putting new rims on the Civic. We'll go into detail on what they are and stuff, but let's just get them out of the car, jack up the car itself, and then just get to swapping them on. Alright guys, so I don't know the specs personally because obviously it's not my car. So we're just going to have James explain the specs, tell you guys the specs of the tires, the rims. He was going more for the smaller rim size and the bigger tire meat, more handling, better grip, etc. So yeah, let's just get into him explaining the specs.
Okay, so as you can see, I picked up myself a set of Konig wheels. All four are white and they're a 15x7. And wrapped around those is a Toyo Tires R888R, which is a 205/50 R15, in case anyone was wondering. Yes, I know a lot of people are going to comment like, wow, it's a racing car tire. You got a 19-second quarter mile. I really don't give a shit.
Alright guys, so James just finished putting on the first wheel, and let me tell you, this thing looks insane. The white rims with the white S-Boy sticker and the Yonaka sticker on the back is looking crazy good. The way they look, honestly, I love them. Here, let me show you guys.
I'll just get the center cap on here first.
Oh yeah, that's looking good. With the tires and everything, that thing's looking mean. Can't wait to get the other three on. We'll time-lapse the rest because you guys know how to put on tires. And yeah, so then we'll show you guys an edit at the end. But for now, let's just get into putting the rest of these things on. Alright guys, so we put all four on. These tires are insane, they're super grippy. We're staying planted on all fours, which is insane. I'm going to show you guys what they look like. We just stopped in at Hosers because it's better lighting here. And tomorrow in the morning we'll do an edit for you guys to see everything. But right now we just wanted to show you guys what they look like, and we wanted to see them too because it got a little dark on us. So now we're just at Hosers and good lighting, seeing it. And tomorrow we'll wake up and do an edit for you guys, and we'll see you in the outro. So for now, let's just show you guys what they look like, and we'll see you in the morning.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. I haven't even seen James's car because I had to work yesterday, so I don't even know what they look like. They're on the way over. I'm going to personally see them for the first time right now, so let's see what they look like. Alright guys, James's car is looking insane with the white wheels. Really pops out. Obviously it's going to look a lot better when it's lowered, but the white wheels really stand out on the blue. I really like it. Alright guys, so we're going to try something different. We've never actually done this before, so if they don't turn out that well, then that's why, because we're new, but you don't know until you try it. So we're going to try and get some roller shots. There's this old photo spot we used to take our old cars to, so we're going to try and get some roller shots down that road. So yeah, let's get right into the roller shots. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. We got some clips for you guys. We tried our best, but it's so different and that's not what we're used to. But the rims, they look insane. Like I said, once it's lowered, this car is gonna literally look insane with the white wheel. It looks amazing. The white really pops. We're all happy with it. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Yeah, see you guys next time.